Hi, this is my brand new dance, Voices, choreographed to the song Voices and performed by Tusse. It was Sweden's contribution to this year's Eurovision Song Contest. They ended up 14th, which I thought was a bit unfair. I would have hoped them higher up, but they beat Norway, so I guess they are happy about that, at least. Okay, it's intermediate dance, 48 counts, 2 walls, and it's a bit teeny weeny restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick walkthrough of my dance, so follow me. Okay, start on right, on left, you start with a point and a point to the right foot. 7, 8, you point forward, you point to the right, you are behind side cross, behind side cross, point to the left as well, point forward, point left, you quarter turn, sailor, sailor quarter turn to your left, sailor quarter turn. Okay, now it's a step lock sequence, so it's step, lock, step, step, lock, step. So first a little bit slow one, and then it's a faster, so it's step, lock, step, step, lock, step. I'll do it with the counting later, so you can see the counting as well. Then you have a rock forward with the right, rock, recover, shuffle 3/4 of your right shoulder, shuffle 3/4. You continue with a rock forward to the left, a rock, recover, coast across, coaster cross. Okay, from the top. 7, 8, so it's a point, point, behind, side, cross, point, point, sailor quarter turn, so it's step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock forward, 3/4 shuffle, shuffle 3/4, rock, recover, coaster cross. Now you do a Montre turn, full Montre turn. So you point your right foot to your right side, do a prep to your left, and then you do Montre to your right. You collect your feet, weight on right, and you sort of end the Montre turn with a rock and cross. To left, rock and cross. So it's like this. You had a coaster cross, prep, spin, rock and cross. Okay, next steps are sway, sway. First to your right, sway left, triple full turn to your right, triple full turn. Then you do cross rock, left over right, rock, recover, shuffle 3/4, shuffle a quarter, shuffle a quarter to your left. Next steps are step forward, pivot a half, step forward, pivot a half, step forward again, pivot a quarter, so it's a 3/4 turn in total. Then it's a cross rock, right or left, cross rock, recover, shuffle right, shuffle to the right, rock forward on left, rock, recover, shuffle half turn, shuffle half turn. You step forward on right, pivot a half, step forward, pivot half, do a full turn going forward, the full turn on two counts, so it's a half, step back on right, half, step forward on left, we're ready to start again with a point and a point. Okay, the whole wall. 7, 8, so it's point, point, behind, side, cross, point, point, sailor quarter turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock forward, recover, shuffle 3/4, rock forward, recover, coaster cross, Montre turn, prep, full turn, rock and cross, sway, right, sway, left, triple full turn, cross rock, and shuffle quarter turn, forward, pivot half, forward to pivot quarter, rock, recover, shuffle to your right, rock forward, recover, shuffle half turn, forward, pivot half, full turn, start again, point, point. I'll do the whole thing to counting as well, so you can see the timing of it. So it's 7, 8, so it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1, 2. Behind side cross. Okay. I can do the second wall as well, so you can see the dance from a different angle. Just if you there are some steps you're unsure of. From the top, 7, 8. So it's point, point, behind side cross, point, point, sail a quarter turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover, shuffle, 3/4 turn, rock, recover, and coaster cross. Montry, rock and cross, sway, 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 triple full turn, cross rock, recover, shuffle, quarter turn, forward, turn a half, forward, turn a quarter, cross rock, shuffle to your right, rock forward, shuffle half, turn, forward, pivot half, full turn, forward, point, and so on again. Okay, in wall 5, there's a restart after 16 counts. 16 counts. But you have to make a small amendment, small step change with a 16 and on the 16 and count. Okay, wall 5 is the same wall as wall 1. We start forward, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You're standing on your right foot. On the 8 and count, you make a small step to your left, just and then right and left, and then you're ready to start again. Point, point, behind side cross. So just the ending. You're a rock, rock, recover, shuffle 3/4 and point, point, behind side cross. Yes. So good luck.